In this video, we're going to be discussing the top 5 myths about traveling to Thailand. From the safety concerns to the cost of living, there are a lot of misconceptions about this amazing country. So, let's get started and clear the air on some of these myths. Myth number 1. It's not safe to travel to Thailand. This is one of the biggest misconceptions about Thailand. While it's true that there have been some political tensions in the past, the country is overall safe for travelers. The crime rate is relatively low, and tourists are not typically targeted. Of course, as with any travel destination, it's important to be aware of your surroundings and take precautions to protect yourself. Myth number 2. It's expensive to travel to Thailand. Another common misconception is that Thailand is an expensive destination. In reality, the cost of living in Thailand is quite low compared to many other countries. You can find great deals on accommodation, food, and transportation. And, if you're on a budget, there are plenty of options for budget-friendly travel. Myth number 3. Thailand is just for party-goers. While Thailand is known for its vibrant nightlife, there's so much more to the country than just partying. From the beautiful beaches and islands to the rich culture and history, there's something for everyone in Thailand. Whether you're looking to relax or explore, you'll find plenty of options to suit your interests. Myth number 4. You need to speak Thai to travel in Thailand. It's not necessary to speak Thai to travel in Thailand, as many people in the tourist industry speak English. However, it's always helpful to know a few basic phrases in the local language, as it can come in handy when communicating with locals. Myth number 5. All of Thailand is hot and humid. Thailand is located close to the equator, so it's generally warm all year round. However, the country has different climates in different regions, and it's not always hot and humid. For example, the northern region of Thailand has a cooler climate, while the south is known for its hot and humid weather. So, it's important to research the climate of the specific region you plan to visit. So, there you have it, the top 5 myths about traveling to Thailand. Remember that it's a safe, affordable, and diverse destination with something for everyone. If you're thinking of visiting, don't let these myths discourage you. We hope this video has been helpful and we'll see you in our next video.